Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we made more than 1 lakh with Bank Nifty weekly options for 4th June 2020 expiry. The week profit was almost 1,06,340. So let us see in detail how did we achieve this return with Bank Nifty weekly options. Bank Nifty weekly hedging summary for 4th June 2020 expiry. Here is the hourly chart of Bank Nifty where you can see we put up two indicators. One is 200-day moving average and another is 50-day moving average. Along with that, we are using pivot points. So in this hourly chart, we saw there was a sharp recovery in the Bank Nifty previous week from the lows of 17,500, where it tested the level of 200 moving average twice, which indicated that there could be a possible breakout. So to confirm this, we see the options chain data, where we saw there was a heavy put writing at 18,000 put and 18,500 put. And also we saw, compared to the call writing, there were major put writing which indicated that there could be a strong bullish momentum in the coming week. Along with that, we use a tool called Market Sentiment Analyzer, which gives us accurate prediction of possible market movement for every week, which is based on multiple factors, that is technical analysis, open interest analysis, FI data, futures data and global sentiment. So based on this data, it has indicated there can be a moderate bullish momentum in the coming week. So based on this, we put up a hedging strategy where you can see here was a payoff. So let us see the strategy. We sold 9,500 put for 4th June and also we sold 20,500 call. And along with that, we bought 19,500 call and 19,500 put for 25th June. So in this payoff, as you can see, if the Bank Nifty consolidates above 19,000 and stays above it, we could collect the profit anywhere from 50,000 to 1.2 lakhs as we have sold 10 lots in this hedging strategy. So let us see how did the Bank Nifty traded for 4th June. Here is a hourly chart where you can see on 1st June the Bank Nifty spiked up, breaking 20,000 level. And we saw the consolidation, and on the next day we saw the sharp rally in the Bank Nifty where the Bank Nifty hit the high of 21,500. Then consolidated at 20,379, which was above the level of 20,000. Here is the overall profit of this position, where you can see we collected 61,560 with 19,500 call. We lost 52,752 with 19,500 put. We collected 49,020 with 20,500 call, and we collected 48,512 with 19,500 put. So which was almost 1,06,340 in this hedging strategy. As the Bank Nifty consolidated around 20,500 level, we collected good profits for this week. In fact, this was one of our biggest gain with Bank Nifty weekly options. And the gain was almost 21.26% in a single week. So let us see how is our trading performance for the entire month. Bank Nifty weekly hedging summary for 11th June 2020 expiry. Here is a hourly chart of Bank Nifty where you can see the Bank Nifty was trading around 21,177. Coming to the options chain, we saw that there was a huge put writing at 20,000 put. And also we saw that equal distributions of call writing at 21,500, 22,000 and 22,500 call. So based on this, and also from the Market Sentiment Analyzer, we predicted there can be a moderate bullish momentum in the coming week. So based on this, we put up a strategy where here was a payoff. If the Bank Nifty consolidated below 22,500 level, we would be profitable in this strategy. So let us see how the Bank Nifty traded till 11th June. So here is hourly chart where you can see on 8th of June the Bank Nifty gapped up, hitting the level of 21,500 and consolidated to 20,500 level on the expiry day. So here is a position summary where you can see we lost 96,120 with 22,000 call. We collected 1,04,970 with 21,000 put. We collected 84,080 with 22,000 call, and we lost 46,720 with 21,000 put. So the net profit was 46,210 with this strategy. As the Bank Nifty consolidated around 20,500 level, we collected profits for this week, which was 9.24% of our capital engaged. So let us see how did we trade it for the next week, that is 18th June 2020 expiry. So here is our hourly chart where we saw on Friday there was a sharp fall in the market and a recovery which caused the Bank Nifty to close around 20,600 level. So here is the open interest distribution where we are seeing there is a majority of call writing compared to the put writing. And again, the market sentiment analyzer was indicating there can be a moderate bearish momentum for the coming week. So based on this, we put up a strategy where we sold 20,500 call and we bought 20,500 call for the 25th June. Here is the payoff diagram where you can see if the Bank Nifty consolidates about 19,500 and stays below 22,000, we would be in profit. So let us see how the Bank Nifty traded till 18th of June. Here is hourly chart where you can see on 15th of June we saw there was a sell-off in the Bank Nifty and again a gap up and a consolidation, and eventually the Bank Nifty closed at 20,197. We exited this trade before expiry as we saw there was a spike in volatility. So here is our position summary. As you can see, we lost 28,540 with 20,500 put and we collected 37,890 with 20,500 put of 18 June. So the net profit was 9,350. So as the volatility index was spiking up above the 200-day moving average, we squared off the positions for this week. The profit was almost 1.87% of the capital engaged. So let us see how did we trade the Bank Nifty for 25th June expiry. So here is hourly chart where you can see the Bank Nifty was trading around 21,300 level on 19th of June. So coming to the options chain and the market sentiment analyzer, we saw that there can be a moderate bullish momentum in the market for the coming week. So based on this, we put up a strategy where we sold 21,000 call, 2 lots, and we bought 20,500 call, and also we bought 21,500 call. So here is a payoff diagram where if the Bank Nifty consolidates near to the range of 21,000 level, we would collect good profits. And this was a risk-defined strategy where even if the Bank Nifty spikes to any of this level, we would be having a limited loss. So let us see in detail how did we trade it for this week. Here is a hourly chart of Bank Nifty where you can see on 22nd of June we saw a gap up in the market and a sharp rally hitting the level of 22,000, where after that we saw a sharp sell-off in the market, but there was a sudden reversal on market on 23rd of June, breaking a level of 22,000 level. Due to this, we closed our position with a limited loss where we collected 1,46,720 with 20,500 call. We lost 2,65,880 with 21,000 call, and we collected 96,310 with 21,500 call. So the net loss was 22,850 for this week. For this week, we risked 2,500 per lot and we traded 10 lots, so we booked a loss of 22,850, which was almost 4.57% of the capital engaged. So let us summarize how is our Bank Nifty weekly hedging performance for FY20 and 21. Here is a cumulative point distribution, and till date we achieved close to 1500 points with Bank Nifty weekly hedging strategy. And here you can observe from the month of June, due to the margin reduction, we saw a sudden rise in the profit we collected compared to the previous months. So coming to the weekly point distribution, as you can see, the June 1st week, that is the 4th June, was one of our biggest trade we achieved with Bank Nifty weekly options. But compared to the others, on an average, we are collecting around 100 to 200 points on a weekly basis. Coming to the monthly profit performance, and till date we achieved close to 35.73% in 3 months. So as you can see, in the month of June, it's one of our biggest profit with Bank Nifty weekly hedging strategy, which raised our profit to almost 35.73%. As again, high reward comes with a high risk. So as you saw, the trades which we took in the Bank Nifty, it was a moderate risk reward strategies as we hedged our positions. But before trading a Bank Nifty weekly options, you should have a proper analysis and you should backtest the strategy which has worked consistently and follow that strategy with a proper risk reward. I hope you got some insights on how we are trading the Bank Nifty weekly hedging strategies. If you found it useful, please like the video, and if you're interested to learn more how to trade the future and options profitably by following the institution data and want to generate a consistent income, you can register for a free course on tradepsychology.com. Thank you.